There is no doubt we've seen it with body-worn video to date. Embracing technology can keep us safer.
People think about body-worn video as the camera. It's much bigger than that. It's about the management of police information, evidential information, and holding it securely. And it needs to be easy to use. It needs to be one button to open it. It needs to be able to share information, specifically between officers. So with the D-series cameras, one of the interesting features is the Wi-Fi and the ability to stream. And we need to look at operationally, in an operational context, how that could work, specifically in a firearms operation.
Police commanders have a thirst for information. We want to understand what's happening at the scene of events as they unfold.
Pitch on me.
Having the facility to have direct streaming into a control room of what the officer is seeing from their body-worn video, it would enable me to assess continually the tactics that are required.
Yeah, we're in position, black side cover on.
How I can support the officers that are at the scene dealing with the event, and indeed reduce the amount of time that I have to get updates from the officers, because I would be able to see this coming through in a live stream type scenario. I can see distinct benefits from having live streaming in terms of body-worn video, that a negotiator that isn't immediately available to the scene may well be able to access that footage and offer pertinent advice back to the officer in how to negotiate with that person until specialists arrive at scene.
Redaction, subject access, a very big subject now since the 25th of May, GDPR is live, and the public have become very aware of third-party information.
Being able to blur out members of the public that are not involved in the incident is absolutely critical and crucial in terms of this to ensure that we protect the privacy.
And up till now it has been a pain in terms of redacting any sort of footage and using some sort of pixel art software. It's time consuming, labour intensive. With the new D-series cameras, we're going to have to go to DEMS360, which does have the redaction software built in. The ability for an individual or maybe a data protection department to be able to redact simply and easily locally would be a major benefit. It's going to be an increasingly important aspect of capturing all this evidence and sharing it appropriately.
I think it's an exciting new area that we move into.
Cover on!
We've massively moved on in terms of technology.
Cover on!
And I think it's right that we harness some of these technologies now.
So it's interesting now, Reveal are looking at DEMS360 as a way of which it's really not about the technology of the camera, but more technology about operational policing.
I can safely say it has become normal everyday equipment, in just the same way that they take out their pocketbook, their handcuffs, they take their body-worn video out without a second thought. It has become second nature to them because of the reliability of the product.